Hello everybody, it's my first video here on YouTube. I am Lacquer Lover, and this video is going to be a tutorial on how to do some BTS idol music video inspired nail art. So I'm going to start with my favorite base coat, and that is the Peel Off base coat. I am just applying that to all of my nails. So I wasn't really sure how to format this video, but I figured, to save you guys some time and save myself some time, I jumped around on a lot of the fingers. So feel free to do that, but if not, I guess you can do one fingernail at a time. So I've just applied base coat, and now I'm going to apply my base color for the 5 fingers. So I start with white on my index finger. Apply layers until the color is opaque, and I'm going to do that for the middle finger. For the ring finger, I'm swatching to a yellow shade. And next we're going back to the white for the pinky. And for your thumb, you just want to paint it white as well. So once again, like I said, you want to make sure that your base color is opaque. So I go in with a second coat, and if needed, you can always go in for a third coat as well. So I'm just using a Ziploc bag here and just putting on some nail polish colors. So I am using red to draw on some hearts. So I'm just using my little striper brush here. To draw these hearts, you just want to apply more pressure towards the fuller parts of the heart and then just release that pressure, and that will create a nice point at the end. So I just draw enough to fill the nail, and it's very fitting because this is actually V's shirt, or one of his shirts in the music video, so lots of V's for V. Next I'm going to be working on my ring finger. So this is the yellow nail, and what I'm going to be doing is a radial gradient. So you start with your yellow in the center, you want to draw a circle or just blob it on, and then draw an orange ring around that. So it will come out kind of subtle if you use more sheer colors like me, so it's up to you, but you're just going to do that twice until it's opaque. And next I'm going to start working on the middle nail. So I'm just applying some peel off latex barrier. Wait till that dries, and while you wait, you can just add the stripes on your pinky nail. So I'm just using a darker red and just going over the hearts. Next, I'm just going to apply top coat to my ring finger so that I can apply striping tape and easily peel it off later. Next, we're working on the hardest part of this nail art in my opinion, and that is the ring finger. And basically, you're just going to draw the love character or eye, but it's the traditional character, so there's like the heart in the center, I suppose. So that kind of made it difficult, but you can see what I am doing here, and this actually turned out better than I thought if I were to add some commentary on this part. Definitely try this out on paper before you try it on your nails. The next step is to return to your middle nail. So I'm just applying yellow, orange, and red polish on a sponge and then sponging that on, creating this sunset-like gradient. And next, I'm going to move on to my thumbnail and just apply this latex barrier and then move on back to the middle nail. So once that's opaque, you want to move to your thumbnail, and you're just applying this turquoise shade and red and then just sponge that on to create the gradient. Make sure the blue is at the top. So I'm just going to peel off the barrier on my middle nail. And then I'm going to just draw on this white semicircle, and this will be the sun. And if you can't recognize this, this is in the beginning behind the table that the members are sitting around. So mine is pretty big here, but you can draw it however big you want. So next I'm just adding some nail polish thinner to my white polish, and that just makes it more sheer and kind of watercolor. So just draw on some random lines, and those will be the clouds. Next, I'm applying the striping tape to my index nail, and it's so much easier because now you've applied the top coat and the striping tape will not peel it off. So I'm basically just adding yellow and orange and kind of mixing it because I didn't have this shade and I want it to be a little splotchy. So peel off your striping tape and then just go in with your paintbrush and some light gray nail polish. And I can't really like describe or explain how to draw it, so your best bet is to just watch me do it. This is basically the backdrop of their dance scenes in the music video. So like those like semicircles or arcs are basically in the background, and you're going to need 2 rows of this. And once I finish this, the next step is going to be kind of hard to see, but basically you're just adding a little bit of blue because there's a little bit of blue in the background. And now I'm just touching up my thumbnail and just making it more opaque by sponging on the colors again. So once you have that, just peel off the latex barrier and then apply top coat to smooth it out. And next you're just going to be writing the word idol on it. And I did it in the font that appears in the music video. So it's kind of bubbly, kind of just like not that straight, more bubbly and round. So with this step, it's really important to watch your spacing and not to make the letters too big, because, you know, D and O might not be in the center, and then the other letters won't really fit. So once you're done with that basic outlining step, you want to go back in and fix any imperfections and add more polish if needed. Next, we're going to add some color, and this part is like kind of fun. It looks really messy in the music video, so you're just going to blob on some random neon colors. Definitely have fun with this step. So once you feel like you've done that enough, then you're basically done with this nail art. All you need to do is apply your favorite top coat. Make sure you don't apply too much pressure so you don't smudge all of that work you put into the art. And then you are completely done. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye everyone!